Alright, we're working at the Ford Roadster some more. Here's a better look of the ECU we're going to be installing. The Heat X 1.2.4B sticker performance ECU. We got our e-sticker temperature sensor, map. We got the control solenoid, AM wideband gauge kit. We're gonna take a look at the engine bay and see how it operates. Alright, here's a better look of the engine bay. You can see that it works, but look, when we plug in the air control, like it's working better, but yeah, sometimes it misfires, and that's because we have the mass airflow sensor. We've been getting some erratic idle and rough starts. Let's go check out the cluster, see what we see. Alright, here's a better look. Here are the gauges. Yeah, see this? That's what it starts doing. Turn on the fan. You see how it starts like it just like misfiring. So here, let's turn it off. Turn it back on. Yeah, we just have like misfires. So we're gonna be replacing the engine computer that's down here. It's kind of hard to see, but we're gonna be replacing that part. So that's pretty much where we are. So yeah, next step is we're gonna install the ECU that we have over there in here and make sure that it runs good. Once we dial it all in and make sure everything is running properly, we're gonna go ahead and take the engine out and fully service it. All right, to be continued.